Okay, hi, I'm Leander Caney, and we're going to be unboxing the Apple Vision Pro. I just went down to the Apple store in Chestnut Street here in San Francisco, and I got a demo of this thing, and it's true, it's what they say, it is totally mind-blowing. It's like unlike anything I've ever seen before, and an experience that you can only get in an AR/VR headset. The interface is really good, it's really polished, really easy, it's totally intuitive. You know, you barely need to have a tutorial. And the experiences were astonishing. Like the immersive video were like, you know, you really were there. It's a cliche, but it was true. Anyway, let's get on with it. So here we are. Let's pull it out of its box. And look at the size of this thing. It's massive. I don't know what's in here, but let's find out. All right, and look, I'll bet it comes off. There we go, look at that. Engineered to perfection. Uh-oh, almost messed that up. This thing weighs a ton. And here we are. Okay, so I guess we just take it off like that. Here's the Vision Pro. Let's see what else we got here in the box. Oh wow. This looks like cardboard. It's engineered cardboard. Wow. Huh, it's totally sculpted. Huh. This is like a collector's item. Let's see what we have here. Here are, I guess, oh yeah, a nice book. And we have an introduction here to all the different bits and pieces. Apple Vision Pro Tour, what's in the box. Okay, the dual band loop. I see. So this is the part that goes over your head to keep it strapped on if you need it. This is kind of optional though, I don't think you need this. And here we have the battery. This is a big chunky one. An extra braided cable. Here's the charger, which I think is 30 watt. Actually got a charge in the box these days, that's very unlike Apple. Oh, the polishing cloth. I always wanted one of these, but it's too cheap to buy one. This is the $20 Apple polishing cloth. But people say that it's unlike any other. It'll clean anything to a perfect shine. And the light seal cushion. And this is made out of some kind of microfiber. And here's the rest of the box. Again, yeah, it's recyclable, it's plastic, paper. Wow, it's all sculpted, engineered, very, very premium, very nice. Okay, and then I guess you take this off here like this, and then this like this. This snaps in magnetically, wow. And then this is where you put the lens inserts. Okay, so here's the battery and the cable. This is good for a couple of hours. The cable's nice and long, it's all braided. It looks to be very good quality. On the side here, you actually have to twist it in. This is a good size battery. It's got the Apple logo embossed on there. And it looks like we're ready to go. So let's take off the front cover. This is all that made out of fabric. It's really beautifully made. Wow, and the engineering is something else. And let's put it on and fire it up. All right, here we go. Press and hold to align. Okay, so that's a quick unboxing of the Apple Vision Pro. And, you know, for $3,500, it's super expensive, but my God, it really is something else.